Hi all, this is part 3 of the coil pot. This is how you end a Plarn covered with yarn type coil pot. Okay. Now when you make your Plarn, and I'll link how to do that down below, this loop is it's just a natural beginning and end. If you make a really big ball of Plarn, you can just cut it. And so now I have the ends here on this ball of Plarn. They're open. I won't use this one. I'll untwist it until I get to the end, and then I'll start working with this loop right here. So just so you know, this right here, this bit, you can use for other things. It does hold its shape even if it's not, looped in a, continuous piece. But I like to be able to anchor it, so that's why I do that. I leave the loop there. So it starts to get a little dicey here at the end. Okay, and you can tug it a little bit to give yourself some room. You might need to use another size hook to get in there and kind of push down on it and make it open. And then pull your yarn through that loop. And then you've got it looped in there. Now you can go down below. And I would just do a couple of stitches beyond, like 1 or 2 stitches beyond, nothing more than that. Okay, and then I did a slip stitch and pull through. Not everybody likes to do the slip stitch thing. But now that you've got it anchored in there, there's the top of the basket. I did kind of wiggle a little bit in my shape. It's not perfectly straight. But at least it stands up and it holds the hooks. And I'm going to take I always want to say a sewing needle. It's not a sewing needle, it's a tapestry needle. Sorry, that's a piece of kitty treat. Sometimes I feed my cat treats up here because the other cat in the house is on specially medicated food, and I sneak treats to the other cats when he's not looking. And I'm just covering up that end that had the plastic showing, and I can go through and do that with all these little bits that are showing. So yeah, so it's less obvious. Let me just tuck this back down into the yarn on the inside. There. But I kind of like the way the plastic shows through, and I did pick a yarn to go with it. So you can see all the way down in there, there's the lid. Can you see that? Yeah. So, I mean, it doesn't matter what color it is. It doesn't even show through. This is my basket. This is the most extreme shape that I've made so far, and I'm really pleased with how it stands up. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and you can make so many things with Plarn and yarn together. They're a good combo. It'll keep the acrylic from creating microplastics in your waterways, because you won't be washing these every day like you would if you were to make clothes out of acrylic. So it's just a thought. I hope you have a great day and crochet your way today, because it's the only time we have. See you next time.